Hi guys, today at Huffler Garage we're going to show you an aux cable installation using the factory instructions for the R50 through R53 Mini Cooper models. So as you can see here, this is our finished product and we are going to walk you through this and how to do it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to drop this hinged panel underneath the steering wheel. They're held in with clips. You may have to use some force and they'll pop right out. As you can see, there are these two trim pieces. They hold two T40 screws on each side, which is 4 in total. You'll pull them T40s out. So some people do remove the top trim piece above the radio, which would make for easier installation. But we're not going to do that, you don't have to. These trim pieces, once those screws are removed, you're able to pull them back and you'll be able to get to the screws to pull out that radio head. As you can see here, there are 4 screws that hold in that head unit. These are T20 screws. Once you remove those, that head unit should slide out. Once you have the head unit removed, there should be this empty port on the back unless you have a CD changer. This is where your aux cord is going to plug into. Our next step is to remove the glove box. This takes 5 torque screws. You'll pull them out and the full assembly of the glove box will slide out. Once you have the glove box out on the left side, this is where you're going to put your faceplate for that aux cord to go into the glove box. You're going to put this 6 centimeters back and 3 centimeters down, and then you can do your markings so you can drill your holes. When drilling these holes, the instructions call for a 2mm and a 10mm drill bit. The 2mm is for the screws to hold the faceplate on. We use a slightly smaller one so those screws would be tight. And then on the 10mm drill bit, we use the one that was slightly larger so that way the cord would actually fit through it, because it is a little bit larger than what the actual connection is. With our holes drilled, we can now install that faceplate. When you go to put these screws in, it will help to have a magnetic screwdriver. They are very small. And just to get them started, have a screwdriver that can hold on to them. Once you have that jack screwed into the faceplate, look back in here and this is where you're going to see where you can hook the climate control to the glove box. There is this hose on the side of the glove box that will go in there, and as you put it back, make sure you get that connected. Once you've manhandled that glove box back in, you're going to install your 5 torque screws. So here's what it looks like once everything is buttoned back up. When you turn the car on, you will now have a aux mode available. And when you go into the radio settings, there's now an aux level settings as well. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to see more mini videos and other cars in our garage.